how to delete all of Chrome history completely. First, I'll show you on the mobile. Let's press on the three dots. Let's press on delete all history. Let's select all time, press delete data. So that's one option. Let's imagine you're using Chrome on the desktop. Press on the three dots. Go to settings here. Privacy security. Delete browsing data. Select all time. Press delete data. At that moment, what happened was, in this example, the data deleted was from this particular Chrome settings. On the mobile device, the data deleted was from just this mobile device. But how do you delete all Chrome data? Because your Google account is connected through all Google products. So what you can do is press on delete data, delete. That's deleted from the browser only. Then let's do this. Let's go to Chrome activity. I'll zoom into this URL here, because this is where you can delete all Chrome history. Press delete, select delete all time, confirm deletion, press delete. At that moment you may think to yourself, you know what, you've deleted everything. And the thing is, you haven't still. Keep in mind you have controls here. You can set things to auto delete if you want. But then you have this more business here. Let's press on that to see what happens. As I've said to you, because Google products are all connected, deleting history from one operating system, let's say your laptop, will not delete things on your mobile. Because this URL here, as you can see, if things are synced between your devices, this is your Chrome data in your Google account. That means all this data we see on this screen right now is coming from all our devices. So now if you want to delete everything, simply press delete this here. Okay, so that is how you delete everything. Okay, it's this URL and this URL here. So I've shown you how to delete Google Chrome activity, whether you want to just delete it from a particular device or mobile device, or the history Google keeps in your Google account. You can delete everything if you want to do that. Do keep in mind, if you were to select this option, when you say passwords in, let's say on desktop, you say password, they also will be deleted from Chrome history. Your passwords are still kept in Google Password Manager. This is how you delete all of Google Chrome history activity.